up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. Hey guys, how you doing?
How you doing?
Good, I'm Rob.
Hi, Rob.
Is it okay if I record this?
Yes.
You document it?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Jim.
Jim?
Sister Annabelle.
Annabelle, nice to meet you.
That's Jay.
Jay, are you guys all related?
My
That's
husband.
my wife. And that's my
Brother.
brother. My sister. And this is my brother Mike.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Mike. Mike passed away
December
of last year, I think 22.
Okay.
So we're.
And he didn't have the ignition wired up on the car. And I had a friend of mine come up and get it all straightened out.
Mm-hmm.
And then the engine just real rough to turn, I guess. And the starter smoked up and then stopped working. So, but I did have it running. I took it out.
Oh yeah, we drove around the
Circle
around the block.
And you guys said he owned this car for how long?
Well, my dad bought it in '65.
It was like a greenish color.
And then in '74, my parents and I went over to Europe, and they told him that they buy the car when you come back, he could have it. And they didn't buy a car, but he already switched the engine out on it. Over the years.
So it was green, and then what color did they make?
And he had it like a rose, a pinky.
Well, he had it
gray.
After the green, he went to the gold, and after the gold, he went to there's a champagne color.
Yeah.
Now, do you guys have any documentation when your dad bought it? Does he have any?
I have the original title.
Oh, you do have
That's
that?
a champagne.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's cool. So you have the original title for it?
Yeah, but that's at home. Yeah.
Okay, but you do have it though.
Yes.
So we make a deal with it. We'll be able to get that. Okay.
But the story behind my dad buying it is he went to buy a car, and this is what they wanted, and the salesman couldn't come up with a good enough price, and my dad walked away.
Oh wow.
And about a couple weeks later, he got a phone call. He goes, "I have one for you. You can." And he goes, "There's no way." He goes, "We still can't afford that price." He goes, "No, it's used." And he goes, "This is like I don't know, it was March of '65." And the guy goes, "No." He goes, "A salesman came in here, wanted to buy a convertible. We didn't have it, so he took the coupe." He said, "Now," he goes, "he brought it back because we got the convertible." He goes, he was going to keep both cars, but he couldn't arrange for somebody else to drive the other car back. So he
bought it
traded. So he
locally?
traded in.
Yeah.
I was harvesting Ford over there in Morrisville at one time.
Oh,
yeah.
It was harvesting in Suburban, and now it's a ghetto.
Unfortunately.
And it's always, it's been in this garage.
It very rarely, even when my father had it,
Yeah.
it very rarely sat outside. Excuse me. I mean, my mom would leave it outside because she wasn't comfortable driving in the garage. And he'd come home from work and start it up and put it in the garage.
So it's got a big motor under here.
Yeah.
460.
460, yeah.
Yep, and over there in the corner is a 428 with a dual quad manifold.
Oh wow.
That's also for sale. It says 352 on the block, but I remember when we got it.
What'd that come out of? That engine, the
It came
428?
out of a Mustang, but I think that manifold actually came out of original Cobra.
Gotcha.
But I'm not sure. It's a Ford factory manifold.
Yeah, because I saw the badges. He must have put these on here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we can't find the 352s. I want them. I'm like, I want to keep them so bad. And
What kind of transmission did he put in it?
as far as I know, it's the C7 or C6, whatever they call it.
So he was dragging this car.
No,
That-
he didn't.
No?
He took it out once or twice,
Oh, did
and
he?
he was told down at Englishtown, I think it was,
Yeah.
don't come back unless you got a roll cage in it.
Oh.
So it was doing
Ooh.
close to 9.
Yeah, under 11s you need a roll cage. So they were.
They told him, you want to bring it down again and run it again, you need to have the roll cage and everything else.
So he bought a Mustang with the roll cage and all, he parted around with that.
It never did anything.
And we ended up selling that.
Yeah.
So this is the last of it to go. He had several cars.
Fenders,
Yeah, these are. Yeah.
and these are the bumpers from it. He had them re-chromed. I thought he had it one time. He had them nickel plated,
Mm-hmm.
and when I brought them down, they were wrapped up, and they were up in the attic of the house. And when I brought them down, we took the stuff off. It was coming off. And I said, oh my God, he had them chromed. So,
The title situation, is that in his name still?
no, my sister's
Sister got it? Okay, so she already did that.
So,
So it's ready to go.
and that's the hood that you're standing next to, right behind you.
Right here.
There's only the two of us left. We're trying to do everything together.
Sure, that's how it should be.
Yeah, the car, it looks good. It's just, like I told you, us not being able to start it.
Oh no, totally get it. As far as you know, the engine's blown.
I don't think it is. I don't think, I mean, you guys seem like trustworthy people, but you guys don't know, right? I might get it and the engine does start, but I don't know how long
Let's
it's
put
been.
it this way, if I was into this kind of stuff, we wouldn't be having this conversation.
Correct.
Right now. It'd be over my house.
I just want a fair price for you guys and for us. That's my whole thing. I don't want to get anything dirt cheap, but at the same time, I don't want to get something where I get it back to my shop and it doesn't start. And now I got to put a bunch of money into it. Because I do see another motor over there, which is concerning. Like, why is that motor over there? Was it in the car? Was it not?
Car had a 352 in it, after the 352, and had a 390 in it, after the 390, 428, and then the 428 became a 460.
Wow.
So it changed engines as many times as it changed.
We went to California in '69. We towed a trailer with us.
17-foot chassis.
And
With this?
With
Yes.
this. And that was the 352. And my parents had made an arrangement to have if something happened to the car when we were away, they could buy a new car. So it had that 352, and it took us all the way out there and back. And then Mike, when he got it, he was into zooping it up and all that, and he changed the engine.
Yeah, actually, there was a maintenance place down the road. He used to take care of all the properties around here. He's the one that bought the engine off of him. Actually, I think they made an arrangement for an A-frame or something like that. And that engine's ran inside a dump truck for 5 more years, smoking the whole time.
That was 352 that towed us to
That engine was
California.
drilled.
I mean, there's lots of stories.
Yeah, I should imagine. This car, I'll tell you what this car, because it's been in your family so long, this car needs to go back to the shop, go through it, get it running, get it driving, make it... The thing is, it's never going to be original, right? So it's not going to be something that's super collectible, but somebody that wants this car, that's been looking for this car and wants to get on it and have fun with it, this is the car.
Right.
Well, I just saw a video of a sleeper.
Yeah.
I think that had a 460 in it too.
I mean, 9 seconds is insane.
And the guy, I don't know if that was that engine or that engine.
Okay. Okay.
To be honest.
Yeah, because to me, this doesn't look 9 seconds, but it looks fast.
I mean, to me, that's heavy. That's huge, you know.
Right.
It's one of those.
But then again, having the Ram Air put on it, that makes it look even smaller.
And we have the original hood. That's over there.
Yeah, I saw that over there.
Yeah, and actually, I
fenders
have
and-
the headlight things,
Yeah.
you know, because with putting the Ram Air in there, the original rings and stuff like that, if you want to put the original lights back in it and stuff.
How's the undercarriage?
Huh?
Is the undercarriage pretty clean?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
clean.
Let's go look at that.
Sat down in the paint shop. God knows how long he had that all painted and everything.
I know the paint job cost me quite a bit.
Yeah, so I got some modifications under here. It's got some modifications. It looks like I don't know if they raised the floors on it or what did they do. But it looks like it was cut at some point, but
Oh, he probably
right.
put new floor pans in
Yep.
it and stuff like that. He was doing that on the Jeep that we had.
What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Just closed a deal with our clients, a local customer here in Bucks County. This is a special car. It's been in their family since 1965. It's a Ford Galaxie 500. Their brother passed away. It was their dad's car, then it went to the brother. They're getting ready to sell the house. They sold us the car. Take a look at it. 65. It's not the original color, so it's been painted before. But the guy, he's put a lot of love, a lot of care into this car. It's got a beautiful 460 under the hood. It does not run right now, so hopefully we get it back to our shop and there's no issues with the engine. I'm hoping it's a simple fix. We can get it back and get it started, and then we're gonna clean it up, make sure it runs good, change all the fluids, go through the car, find a good home for it. I promised the owners we would find it a good home. So if you're interested in this car, please give me a call or go on our website, BobEvansClassics.com. It will be up for sale by the time this video hits. Appreciate you guys checking out our page. If you like this episode of Chasing Classics, do me a favor, please subscribe. We need subscribers to grow our channel. Talk to you later.
Probably gonna do a good roll once it gets set. Couldn't tell you how many times I pushed this car in and out of this garage.
Rob, do you want to ride the brake inside the car?
Sure. Grab this.
Put your hands off this thing, it's gonna go.
Yep, that's what I was just going. So once I put it on that.